Hello and welcome to My Life in Spain. My name is Mark and today we're in the Batoi neighborhood of Alcoy to have a look at the Sunday market and go for a little walk on the Via Verde. Now this market's only here on a Sunday. All the supermarkets are closed in the town, so if you want fresh bread or you want some vegetables, you can always come up here. Now we're at like the halfway, the middle point of the market, I guess. It's clothes, shoes, food. As you can see, it's fairly busy. Often if we come here on the way back, we'll stop at this van here for a rotisserie chicken. Whole chicken 13 euros, half a chicken 7. And today's the 10th of May 2026 and it's quite nice. It had rain yesterday, so this is a good nice change from that. See, these are the places you want to come if you want fresh fruit. Three kilos of oranges, 99 cents. It's really cheap. Okay, we're coming to the end of the market here. We entered in the middle. So as you can see, it's pretty popular, huh? Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off a little bit now until we get to the Via Verde. It means the greenway. Okay, now we're coming up to the first of 10 tunnels on this 13-kilometer hike. What you can see over here is the Font Roja National Park. If I can zoom in, that's the Bridge of the Seven Moons. So as you can see in Alcoy here, we're surrounded by nature. Right, I'm not going to take you through the tunnel because I'm going to go have my lunch now. So, see you in a few minutes. So I've had a stop now for my lunch. I'm just going to show you what I'm going to eat. Tuna and hard-boiled egg sandwich. Some potato chips. A Twix. And a can of cola. Now the Via Verde was really intended to be a railway line linking Alcoy to the port of Alicante. And they started building the railway line in 1922, and in 1927 the work stopped. They ran out of money. And it never got finished. And of course, the Civil War came in the 30s, and then Franco was in power, and this area was Republican, so they had no intention of ever finishing the railway. So it lay dormant for decades until finally in the 80s, the city government here in Alcoy decided to pave it and turn it into a walking and cycling track, which it is today. And on the weekends, as you can see, it's really busy. I guess as well the weather helps. Now this tuna and egg sandwich, this cost me €60 or €80 from Mercadona. Chips, 65 cents. Cola Zero, 32 cents. And the Twix was expensive, it was like $1.40. Anyway, I'm gonna have my lunch. If you've got any questions about the Via Verde, put them in the comments, or the market here in Batoi on the Sunday, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. Catch my next video. Bye for now.